everyone! Welcome to Fun with Drawing channel. Let's do fun while drawing. Today we will draw Tom and Jerry characters. First I am drawing Jerry. Jerry is a brown house mouse. I love Tom and Jerry cartoon and their friendship. Do you also like the Tom and Jerry cartoon? Jerry is an excited, carefree, and cheeky mouse. Now I am drawing Cherie Mouse. She is a cute light brown colored mouse, usually wearing a blue bow on her head, or a hat with a purple bow, and is in love with Jerry. She is seen as a sweet, caring, and loving Jerry, as they both have romantic feelings towards each other. She is capable of fighting back against her foes, similar to Jerry. Now I am drawing Tom. Tom has a superhuman level of elasticity. Tom attempts to chase Jerry, put traps on him, and attempt to catch him, but often fails, since Jerry always refuses to leave the area and outsmarts him. Plus, other than Jerry, humans cause trouble for Tom as well. Grown-ups, kids, and babies. Now I am drawing Tyke. The puppy in Tom and Jerry is none other than Tyke, Spike's adorable son. Tyke's is an innocent and heartwarming puppy. Let's draw Nibbles. He is the little gray diaper-wearing orphan mouse. In Tom and Jerry Kids, he looks more like a rat. He eats a lot of food always. Last, I am drawing Toodles. She is a white female cat with a tall, slender, and graceful physique. She has large, expressive eyes and a small, cute nose. Her fur is white, and she is often depicted with a bow tied around her neck. All the characters of Tom and Jerry cartoon look so good. Let's start coloring them.